Hey, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate these kinds of videos where we see like Family Guy's images that become into real people. So these videos are getting a lot of popularity in YouTube. So for example, we've got this one with almost 100,000 views. It's from a year ago. But then we have this one from just 10 days ago, and they have this huge amount of views. And also we got this one from 1 month ago and also with a huge amount of views, and they are quite simple. If we watch the videos, what we can see is that we have the real image of the character from the show and then a person in the real life from those characters. So we can recreate this with just one AI tool, and we can try to do it for free at the beginning so we can check if we like it or not, and we can create more and more and more videos. To get the tool for free, you will have to wait until the end of the video where I will show you how you can get it. But right now I'm going to show you the tool, Videotok. Yes, we are going to use videotok.app. That is the tool that I'm building with a team, and it's amazing. Yeah. Why? Because you can create a lot of kinds of videos. Like for example, we can create real images videos, pixel style videos, real news, etc. So you can have your own consistent characters, your own voice clone, just past a YouTube URL or a blog post or whatever you want, and it will create the video automatically for you. And then you can create also UGC, avatars, and CGI videos like most of the famous brands do. But in this case, we are going to go with the how to create these Family Guy videos, like getting the first character and then transforming it into a real life character. To do that, what we are going to do is do the sign in or sign up if we don't have an account, and I will do the sign in. And once we have done the sign in, we will be in this page. Here we have different options like creating our own custom characters, our own brand, or our cloning our voice for the videos, and then creating the UGC videos or the talking avatars. In this case, I'm going to go with faceless videos because this is the option where I can create the videos that I want. Here on the right, I have past videos I've been creating, but right now I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a video that is, okay, a video about Family Guy characters in real life. So we have to do different scenes, each one with a character in the real life. So they are not cartoons, they are real humans. Perfect. So this will be the prompt that I will be using to create the video. So I will have the option for AI script. So the AI will create the script for me, and then we can select the other option. So in this case, I'm going to go with a horizontal video, and then the duration is going to be around 60 seconds. So I'm going to go with 60 seconds. Then I'm going to choose for the media style. This is really important because we are using real characters, so Family Guys, The Simpsons, whatever you want. For this, the AI models don't know the characters normally. There are a few models that they know them, and those models are the GPT images. So we can choose between the medium and the high one. For this case, I'm going to choose both. First the high and then the medium for other show, and we will see the differences between them. So in this case, I'm going to go with the high. For the number of images, I'm going to go with 12 images, and here add only 12 scenes. I'm going to say in the prompt that I want 12 scenes. So it's the same as the number of images I'm going to recreate. Then the video talk style, I'm going to leave this one. And then for the voice, we can choose also another voice. In this case, I'm going to go with the UK male and generate the video. Now videotok will generate the script for us, and it will generate the storyboard that are the images prompts. Those image prompts are the text that that videotok will send to the AI so they can become those images automatically. So videotok will create those images for us. So here we have the full script. Ever wonder who Peter Griffin would be? Okay, so here would be those housekeeper who only says no, no rules. Perfect. So here we have like the different characters. I'm going to click on next. Here we can see also the approx length of the video. So it depends on the voice. It will be shorter or longer. And then after clicking on next, videotok will create those image prompts for us. Great, so now we have here all the image prompts. So we can see that we have 12 image prompts. This is like the storyboard. So each image will become the final image in the video. So we have to be careful in the text. We can review them, we can modify them, each prompt, etc. So we get exactly the images that we want inside our video. For me, I'm going to click on create video, and now videotok will generate the full video for me with the voices, with the images, with everything. Now, while the video is generating, this usually takes a few minutes. We can try to do the same with another thing. Like for example, let's generate fashion brands characters in anime style. For fashion brands, I'm going to go with luxury. For example, Hermes with a huge horse wearing Hermes, and they are anime. Do this for 12 brands in anime style, each brand with an animal character. So we have this prompt that we can recreate also in other places and other styles. Then we can choose different media styles. So in this case, I'm going to go with GPT Match Medium so we can see the differences and do anime style. And then in this case, I'm going to go also for a vertical video. I'm going to do it a bit shorter, so just 30 seconds. And I'm going to keep the voice now for the female, UK female. And let's do the same. So starting video, and then we can click on next for the prompts, and then next to generate. So we have to be careful that in the prompt that we give to the script, it's super complete. So here we have the full prompt. Let's click on next, and now we will get all the image prompts and we can review them again and generate the video. So here we have all the image prompts. We can review them. If we are happy with them, let's click on create video. So now the video is generating. I will just have to wait a few seconds. Great, so now the videos have been generated and we can watch them. So we can go over them, click on open video, and here we will have our full video generated with all the scenes. So we can watch it quite fast, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit. So let's go here. We can change the text and everything, or we can remove them. So for example, if I go to subtitles, click here on show captions so they don't appear on the video. Then here on media, we can add more images, change the images, or click in an image and add motion to it. So if we want movement to each image, we can do it from here inside the media. And then in the text, we can change how the captions look, but in this case, we have removed them. In the subtitles, we can change also the captions if we want. We can add music here in the music section. We can add sound effects also here, or we can change the script if we want another one, or improve the voice, so it removes also the pauses and everything from the voice. But let's watch it. So we can change to different image movements, or if you want a real image movement, you will have to put it from here, from the media, clicking on the image that you want to add motion, and then adding the motion. So let's watch it super fast.
Ever wondered what Family Guy characters would look like in real life? Peter Griffin would be that overweight guy at the bar with the annoying laugh who somehow still has a gorgeous wife. Lois Griffin would be that hot redhead soccer mom who's
one thing is that we can remove also the image movement.
Way too good for her husband but stays for the kids. Stewie Griffin would be that genius baby with the British accent who'd be that awkward girl in high school. Everyone Griffin would be that chubby teen who would be that creepy neighbor who's definitely a super calm friend who speaks, be that muscular cop, and Adam West would be that and would be that elderly neighbor.
So you get the idea. So here, right now, we can add more things. Like for example, if I go to Google, I can come here and download an image. And then I can come here to videotok, and in the media section, I can click on upload media files. And here I would say Family Guy and just upload the image here. So here like this, we can go to Google or to our media profiles and we can upload more images to our video. Like for example here, instead of showing the real characters, what I would like to do is just showing the characters from the show. So what I would do is I would upload the image and then I can click on this image, hover over it to the timeline and drop it. So right now my video starts with the characters that are real from the show. And then imagine that you don't like an image. So what we can do is come here to GPT image medium or GPT image high, and here say the image that we want to generate. Also, what we can do is here is attach an image. So we can say, oh, okay, so this is the real character, now transform this into real life. We can do this, for example, with this. If I add the image from Family Guy as a reference, I can say, now transform this into a hyper realistic image from Family Guy. Real life characters. So we get the prompt, we generate the image, and now the image will start to generate. Once it's ready, it will appear here as the image generated, and we can do the same. Just click on it and drag over where we want it. Once we have the full video as we like it, so we added some transitions, slide blur, empty, and we change everything as we want. I'm going to remove the captions. We can just export the video and it will be ready to use. So this is how, for example, you can create this kind of videos. And now you will be thinking, okay, how can I try videotok? So videotok, in the box description of this video, I'm going to share with you a special discount so you can use it. And then also if you want to go further, here clicking on the present gift inside the product, you will find other options to try videotok. So hope you like the video. Give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe into the channel, and comment in the box description which kind of videos would you like that I create. In the next video I will create more about UGC and talking avatars, so also you know how to use it. So that's ready. This is how you can recreate this kind of videos from YouTube using just one AI tool. Hope you like them and see you in the next one.